It looks good, but does it taste good? Here's how it looks. First bite. I love how much red velvet cake is mixed in with the soft serve. It's delicious. The red velvet cake is soft and thick, and it's not hard to chew on. The red velvet flavor is pretty strong from the cake that is mixed in with the soft serve, and with each bite you'll for sure get a red velvet cake piece because of their generous amount that they mixed in. I would give this a 10 out of 10. In case you're curious, this is the red velvet cake blizzard from Dairy Queen. Be honest, would you try this?